love math. I just think numbers are so fascinating. It's so exciting. It's one of my favorite things because there's always more to learn about it, and it's so cool when mathematicians discover something new in math and it's like this really cool trick to solve this equation. It's amazing. But I have a fun math game to share with you guys. So it's called Undercut. Think of it like rock, paper, scissors, but with numbers. This requires no materials whatsoever, so you can do this anywhere. Say, a tournament when you're waiting to be staged. We've all been there. So you can play this with your ring buddies. It can really be anywhere. Here's how you play Undercut. So you and one other person, your opponent, pick a number between 1 and 5. And then on the count of 3, like rock, paper, scissors, you display that number with your fingers. And you want to try to get 2, 3, or 4 more than your opponent's number. So that way you get more points. Because for every finger that you display and show, then that's how many points you get. How the game gets its name, Undercut. So when you undercut your opponent, that means you have 1 less than their number. So like your opponent throws a 4 and you throw a 3, then you get their points and your points combined. So you get 7 and they don't get anything. So you want to constantly try to undercut your opponent. You don't want to get undercut because then you don't get any points. So you could just throw ones the whole time and play it safe, but you wouldn't gain any points and your opponent would gain more. So there's a bit of probability tied into it, but not too much because it's a 20% chance that your opponent will pick 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. So it's a game of risk and reward because you don't know what your opponent is going to pick. Kind of like rock, paper, scissors. So it's a really cool game. It's kind of closer to a mind game than a math game, but it is a lot of fun. So I hope you enjoy it.